pala talaga. So,
oh yeah, and of course! Alright, once again, good morning, Bicolandia! 3, 2, 1, go!
ipungal ka dol, di ka masarap pala na. Okay lang na video ko. Thank you. Ang gamot.
Dehydration. Love Viva Life. Viva Life is most prescribed to help prevent dehydration.
Next!
Shopping dol, di pungal.
Be, paldo.